Some customers want a smaller probe tip size due to the compact pad size. We developed the best choice for that inquiry. The Piezo Module Probe system is motorized with a piezo module motor that can precisely control the probes. The Piezo Module Probe system is a recommended product for precise probe control. Since the probe module is moved using software, it can be moved without breaking the vacuum atmosphere. The Piezo Module Probe system is a product that can coordinate the contact pad size from several to hundreds of microns. The components of the Piezo Probe Module chamber are: first, Piezo Module chamber; second, a Piezo Module controller; third, a temperature controller; fourth, a connection cable. Let's see how it works. Press the keyboard to move the Piezo Module's XYZ axis. The module's resolution is less than 1 micrometer. It is fit for precise movement. This time, we will watch a video of actually placing a sample and moving the contact point with the cover closed. The positions of the 4 probe tips are readjusted from the outside to the inside. If you want to check more products, press the subscribe and like button. Thank you for watching.